Hey everyone, thanks for watching my videos. Have another unboxing here for you. Today it's a Pxtoys 9302 truggy style. And what this is it's in the same series as this Enoze 9303. So what I found is Enoze and Pxtoys essentially are the same, just a rebrand. And this is the very model I recommend over the HS 118 scales. So let's get this opened up. Okay, just got the box cut open. Let's open this up. Oh, forgot two more pieces. Sorry guys. So right off the bat, I will note that the Enoze or Pxtoys packaging isn't as good as the HS Toys packaging, but I will say the RCs are much better. And I'm not talking crap about the HSs, but if you were to get one, I just have a recommendation of these over those, and I'll get into why. So check it out guys, thing's pretty cool. 1/18 scale next to its cousin or brother, and we'll pull this out and take a look at it. But box is pretty simple, comes with the RC, it's not strapped down. There's the transmitter, pretty basic transmitter, cool because it has its adjustments, the dials, switches, so it's basic but it gives you a good range of adjustment. Here's the battery charger. These are cool because they give you a full lug wrench and screwdriver, some extra body clips, and there's your charger with the balance port charging. Okay. Now on to the good stuff. Here we go. I'll just put them side by side so you can see. The 9303 looks a little bit bigger just because of the body. It comes with the spare tire. But this one probably performs better, which is cool. I had a little race with my friend the other day in a parking lot, and we were having a blast. And the one great thing about these is they last 25 to 30 minutes. They're not the fastest RCs, but they keep going, and they're very fun for that reason. So here we go. Here's the inside. And what I recommend about this over the HS Toys is, I don't have mine right now because the first one I had I actually sold to a kid at the park because they really liked that one. And the second one I was supposed to get in is the shipment that's missing from Banggood, so I'm not even bothering recommending them in this video because they failed me on 3 orders and have not responded. Fortunately, this one came in after 2 months, I think it was. But the reason why I prefer Pxtoys Enoze over the HS is, number one, the body and chassis is much more hobby grade designed, meaning everything is accessible for you to replace or fix or upgrade. Your 380 series motor, 2-in-1 ESC, battery with the battery arm clip. This one I'm not the biggest fan of, and I'll show you what I did in there, just because it's very limited with the size of batteries you can put in there, but still better than the HS in my opinion. And there's nothing wrong with the HS, it's just this is more worth it for your money. The other reason why I get into it is the tires you get are much softer, much grippier versus the HS plastic tires that just skid all over the place. And it could be fun, but it's not as hobby grade, and I think that's just the point I'm making. The other portion of it is, you can see right there, this one stock comes with the metal dog bone axle shafts, and you do get all 4. Something to note though is that they do go into plastic receivers, but that is a breaking point on the HS, so automatically this is an upgrade from that. So I think this is probably $5 more than the HS, but just alone with the tires, and the metal dog bones, that makes up more than the difference, aside even on top of the better design, in my opinion, of course. But they both use friction shocks. These are not oil filled, and one of the best upgrades you can do is filling these with oil. Here's a different model. This is a Xinglehong, but that's an example of the metal or the oil filled shocks on there. And I do have a set that I will throw on one of these or both of them. We'll see which one gets the special treatment. But aside from that, yeah, this thing is pretty cool. It does look smaller than I thought it would be. And to give you a look into the 9303 and to show you how similar, if not the same, they are. I'll get this opened up. Check this out. Well, virtually the same. Even the tires. These are all covered in dirt because I beat the heck out of this guy, which is awesome, and it can take it. This is my battery strap mod, so I cut the little bracket off, and then I just hooked up straps so that it can hold a bigger battery, and I have replacement batteries for this. The only downside is this model has this weird new Chinese connector that they've been using on RCs, but I got lucky because I happen to have some batteries that fit that, and still better than the HS in my opinion. But there you go. Here is the ATV versus the truggy, and actually I have a buggy on the way, which I will do an unboxing for you guys soon. But this is again the Pxtoys Enoze 18 scale line. And something to mention too is this one actually comes with running lights, as you've seen in mine, so that also is an upgrade on top of the base price, or the base HS. This one does not have the lights, not a problem. I can always stick them on there if I want, but the point being made is you have better tires, you have metal dog bone axle shafts, and the better chassis design, meaning more hobby grade. So highly recommend this if you're getting into 1/8 scale or 18 scale beaters. And I'm planning to do a kind of RC recommendations video, where I think all the bang for the buck is. As you can see, a bunch of RCs here, and I can actually provide some of that feedback. And of course this is all just my opinion, but excited to get this out just because I've had an awesome experience with this one. And thanks for watching, and I'll get back to you guys more with action.